This is an update to a video I made a few weeks ago where I modified the foot pedal on my BX23 to allow hand control. And that previous video just showed some crude angle bar, steel tube, but I modified it to add a shifter handle. This is a handle I had from an old Corvette restoration that I had done like 40 years ago. It's a Hurst Shifter. It gives you a nice place to rest your hand. It operates really well. It's at a good height. And I was going to give the dimensions of this final product in the video, so anybody that wants to manufacture it can certainly do that. I think it's pretty easy. It's just got the square tube, it's got some angle bar, and the shifter. You can use any shifter that you'd like. I'm sure there's a bunch of aftermarket shifters out there. The only thing that I had to take a little time to figure out was the angle of the bend here at the lower portion, because that bend is pretty critical because it allows that handle to get full forward motion without hitting the hydraulic valving up forward. So I can get full forward, I can get full back, and it really is a comfortable place to rest your hand. You know, I use the arm rest here, and I rest my arm, and it's about the right height, and it gives me a lot of precision when I cut the grass. So I'm pretty pleased. I've used it now for a few weeks, and it's worked really well. So like I said, I'll put the dimensions in the comment section below, and I hope this helps some folks that are troubled by using the foot pedal like I was and would rather have a hand control. So if you have any comments, feel free to drop them below. I'll get back to you, and thanks for watching.